we have heard your name is so high. You are the idol for hotel entrepreneurs. So I want to ask you that from where did the business originated and how?
See, basically, initially, I was running a tea stall when I was studying also. When I used to go to school, I used to run a tea stall also. In the 7th standard, then that time I used. After that, in 1989 October, I started a small chaat outlet. First of all, I thought okay, what to start basically here. So when I studied the market here in Gujarat, only snacks you used to get this papda gatia and all, bhujia and all, no other thing. So it was long before I have gone to Delhi. So there I saw this all Delhi charts and all that were not in Gujarat. So I got an idea why should not this new item will be new item also, and these items are tasty also. People will like it 100%, and people need always change method.
Sir, you have started this.
Yeah, so I got cooked from Delhi.
Okay.
And then started this first chart outlet in 1989 October at White House, Panchwati.
Sir, your support, who was your main support for you to start this initiative also?
See,
family members, or friends, and like that.
See, support from my, got support from my all friends and family also. You see, but that time also we were not so rich basically, but from different friends, 10,000, 20,000 I have collected, and I wanted that time I want to start this new business with it. And that's how I started this chart house also. 100% family support was there, but friends support was also there. But the concept was new, so we got very good response on the first day. Very first day. But our main highlight was that we never compromise on quality and service. First thing was we never compromise on quality. So from first day we have taken care of that, we never compromise in quality. So from that we got very good hit success. Then in 1992 we started catering business. We went for catering business. We thought, why should not this item should go in this marriage and all. So slowly we started in marriage catering. From then again we went to management of clubs and all. And in 2000 we planned this hotel Grand Bhagwati. It was the first hotel. In this also our concept was new that we have more specialized in F&B, food we were specialized, we started chart, catering, we were specialized in catering. So we thought we should start from the banquet hotel. Banquet hotel means basically in this our model and other hotel model, the difference is that in this 65 to 70% revenue is generated from F&B and 30 to 35% revenue is generated from rooms. In other hotels, 70% revenue is generated from rooms and 30% from F&B. That time basically no internet was not there so much. So this international brand can beat us in room business, but F&B business they cannot beat us. So that's why I started with that concept. So of this we started the Grand Bhagwati first, then slowly we went to the listed company and we started another hotel and third.
Why the name Grand Bhagwati? The Grand
Evolution behind the name.
Yeah, see basically the name Grand Bhagwati, really originally our tea stall name was also Bhagwati Tea Stall, and then our chaat house also Bhagwati Chaat. It was the name of my one sister mine. But when we wanted to start this Grand Bhagwati, I gave an ad, we gave a good name and we will give you 10,000. I got lakhs of name. But I was so confused, at last we said we don't want to go with a new name. So when we were thinking our name is Bhagwati and we are going on a grand way, why should not the Grand Bhagwati? That's why we have the name the Grand Bhagwati.
Sir, our friend also want to ask.
Yeah.
So initially you might have been faced many scandals and problems, especially when the project was where the natural calamities took place. So how you face that situation? Please
See, basically in this project I have faced many natural calamities and other financial problem also. See, 3 nature calamities we faced. One was earthquake initially. Before that it was a flood was there, and then again Godhra riots were there. And the time again Madhupura Cooperative Bank was there, that was closed due to the other banks effect on other banks where the other banks were also not financing easily. But see, I never stopped. I have gone for 100 banks. All Bombay banks I have gone for loans and all, but initially nobody was ready. But at last, after 1890 bank, the central bank was convinced to give loan. And then one more PNB bank was there. After seeing central bank, PNB bank was also convinced. See, I never go for negative thoughts and nothing. You think about ये नहीं हुआ तो you don't do मतलब. You go on trying मतलब. Whether you succeed or not, but you should try always. Basically, I never think wrong, negative, and work with honesty. You will always successfully you will get it. In the time of opening also, when we after this problem also, when we are having a opening, so I went to give a card to my friend. So my friend said, "Why what a simple opening you are doing, Matar. You should call any politician or not." I told, I don't know any politician and all. But that night I didn't sleep, Matar. So in the morning I opened the Tata Yellow Pages and saw the number of CM office. And I called his PA, Sanjay Bhausar was there. He told me, fax me whatever you want. So I took the appointment of Narendra Modi. He gave me, the same day he gave me appointment. And I went with the presentation, I am doing this type of project and I open. He was ready to open it was again also a dream for me. CM, and that was the first private project inaugurated by Narendra Modi. That time in 2002. But see, before one day, I have printed the card also. I said, my friend has said, let's try. See, if he's not saying no, then also we are going to do opening. But let's try. Then see, when I tried these ideas, in many cases, basically, I have seen matlab. You don't think negative also. Sometimes, say example, you fail also in the school, but don't take it. See, I have seen many students who are getting 0 marks. They are now very good in business and all. Not like that, matlab.
So one question on the Sydney. So you would like to ask?
Yeah.
So from that point, what achievements and the qualities you see in a person when you rated him on a higher post, on a higher designation?
See, basically, first of all, I see basically that if he's a new guy, then again we see his talent and somewhat professionally what he is doing and all. But basically, if he is an experienced basically guy, then how he has worked with other organizations and whether when you are coming for any job or what you have studied about our brand or not, what you are going to work for, what you are, why and whether you have patience in working or not basically. See, patience is 100% needed. See, without patience, if you think that you don't want to study and your fathers force you, you cannot study. If your own passion, I have to study, and my son is also there. We never force him to do this. In the 12th exam also, I have never gone to drop him for the exam also. He has gone his own. We never go to drop him in the school and pick me. Now you see people are standing outside the school. Parents, I never say. See, I say, it's your career. See, it is useful to you. It's not going to be useful to me. Now it's upon you whether you want to study or not. So he can understand, I think. He is doing good also. Same way my daughter also. After he finished the college, school, he said, which line you want to see? Everybody student generally think BBA, MBA and all. She said, I want to do mass communication and fashion marketing, not designing. Fashion marketing and all. I said, do whatever you like, what you like with the passion you do. So now she is an image consultant. She is 24 years only, but she is an image consultant, Hina Somani, and she is writing on the blog also. But see, what I want to say is that what do you have passion you do with your passion, whatever work, whatever you like. Whether you like painting, whatever you like, anything you like. So you will always succeed, matlab. Only just कि मैं पढ़ना है इसलिए ठीक है यार डिग्री लेनी है then you will never do
So what's your now new missions and visions for future?
See, now we have come with a new hotel at Indore, matlab. In these 3-4 months we are starting a hotel in Indore. And now we are developing our bakery business. Bakery business, first of all, we started with in-house production only, so we were not looking after that. But now we see that lots of youngsters are developing, not in the bakery business will flourish. So now we are more concentrating that on bakery business also. We have now 23 outlets in Gujarat. We are planning next 100 outlet in 1 year. All Gujarat, all basically all small Bhavnagar, Rajkot, Jamnagar, Baroda, Surat, Badoli, everywhere we are going to be present.
So he also wants to be an entrepreneur, so he would like to know
Yeah.
what the keys.
તમારા મતે મોડર્ન જમાનામાં સફળતાની ચાવી શું હોઈ શકે કોઈ પણ બિઝનેસ માટે?
બસ શોર્ટકટ નહીં જઈને કે ઓનેસ્ટી સાથે પોઝિટિવ થિંકિંગ સાથે પેશન સાથે કામ કરશો તો હંમેશા મળશે. આજે હું તમને કહું, હું બી ચા આજે દુકાન સંભાળતો હતો તો હું એ વખત વિચાર કરત કે આજે હું કઈ ના કરી શકું ને એવું નથી કે હું ચાની કેટલીમાં હા તો એવું નથી.
So what's the best quality of TGV that differs from every other?
Every
The best you would like to say about the
This
TGV?
is quality and service. And we work with a teamwork basically.
Yes.
And nobody is small, nobody is big in our organization. We work with the teamwork.
And so now we are going to become engineers, computer engineers in the
Yeah,
near
yeah.
future. What will be our role that we could be benefit to the entrepreneurship or like that?
You will be a computer engineer.
Yes.
Ah.
Then what will be our role to make benefits and get profit?
See, what-
we contribute?
Which would be helpful.
See, whatever where you see that wherever other is needed, you should contribute basically.
Yes.
See now basically in an example, now we are doing for social also. What I do is basically, I see that I get faced many problems in education. Sometimes I also didn't have money for school fees and all that. But when I think now I have when I can do, so I do lots for education. See now 600 students studying under me, municipal school student. Basically those who don't can pay the fee, only they have 4,000 fee in a year. So we do to help in that in way in education. Whatever you have, master, is nothing there. Whatever you can help to any entrepreneur, whatever you have, you can do it. There's nothing like that with money, with anything. Anything with knowledge also, anything you can.
So in the video conferences, your daughter used to say that you ever told her that dream big and just do it.
Yeah. What do you want to ask, mother?
So
Sir, in the video conference, your daughter told that you would consult her saying that the dream
Yeah,
big
dreaming.
and just do it.
I was a daydreamer also.
Yes.
I always used to see dream when I was studying in school. I used to the Sal Institute Hotel was there at that time in Gujarat College. That time I used to think one day I will have this type of hotel and slowly I say I have not done any wrong thing, but without any wrong thing and any doing shortcut, we work hard and we can do. And all the example now you see example here you see example Adani you see, you Nirma see, all were very too small. Hemmoor you see.
Yes.
All were too small, but they have worked hard and they have come out with it. It's not like that, only me, many others are there also.
Main example, Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi also there. And see, in my office, I keep keep the statue of Narendra Modi also. I get vibration from him also. See, motivation. See, he has no son, no daughter. He is alone. Then also he is working 16 to 17 hours. And it's not joke at the age of 65 to work for 16 hours basically. He work for country. So when we think, I see his photo, I think that when he's working for country 15, 16 hours, why don't we work for our business?
Yes.
It's going to benefit us. It's not going to benefit anyone. So when people do work for other to benefit, why should not we do for ourselves also? So we get motivation, from him also. So I have kept his statue, I made a statue. That's it.
Sir, any message to the youth of today? Any sort
But
of-
never think of shortcut. Basically, work hard with a positive and work with patience. You will always succeed.
Sir, in your busy life, sir, from one city to other city,
Uh,
one continent, so how would you keep yourself busy, sir?
Manage this.
Manage
See,
this.
basically everything, time management you can do. See, everything I see still also, I go to temple for 1 hour, which I was going to 35 years old. I used to go club also. I used to go to office also. See, this time, whatever important that you can see, work on everything you write down first.
Yeah, sir.
People, what you do tonight, what you write down what you want to do tomorrow basically.
Yes.
Ah. And whatever you doing, then you take the other, it will help you, matlab. And nothing is 24 hours a day basically. In sleep you need only 7 hours. So 17 hours are there to work, matlab. There is nothing like that. When I also see I had social functions or 5 functions also I have to go. I go for 5 minutes also, but I attend all. See, if you go one function and you eat food and all and you waste that same thing. If you want to attend 5 functions, you can attend 5 functions also. Give 5 minute attendance there, matlab, and then
I think we'll do it for
Madam,
spending your
madam,
time.
it's my pleasure.
Try to
Anytime,
learn
yeah.
from your-
So we are just the beginners. We are going to
No,
learn.
no, no,
If
God
there
will
are any
help you,
mistakes, I'm really
100%.
sorry.
Yeah, and have faith in God also.
Yes.
Yeah. So always God will also see. Don't be negative. Basically, never be negative. See failures and be there always when you see. Many times I have also many problems. You won't believe it, matlab, I have gone through many problems also. Many people have come, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? But see, if everybody sees things that for whom I am doing, then it won't work. matlab.
Only one thing we have to remember. We will and we can.
Yeah, 100. I can, I will. You
Yes,
say.
I can.
Ah.
Yes,
Sir, our whole college is thankful to you, sir, for your dedication.
So it's my pleasure also tell all the students also.
Okay, sir.
Anytime, matlab. Yeah.
Yes.